and it's quite fun. And today I give you a solution on all those who have solved exercise 7. Okay, and this video is very enjoyable and also present my solution. Also, it was quite interesting problem in which we had to use operating system module. So let's move to the computer screen and let's get started. So I will tell you, write a program to clear the content inside a folder on your computer. You should use OL module to rename all the PNG images from 1.png all the way till n.png, where n is the number of PNG files in that folder. Do the same for other file format. For example, like ffdsf.png first PNG, vfsf.png second PNG, this.png 3.3 design.png 4.png, name.png 5.png. So this is I will be make like this, like file os lister and collected folder, and where I will be run. So like you have seen here, it will be running, and like I will be tell you, here's come like a first PNG, second PNG, third PNG, fourth PNG, and if you click here, like here you click first PNG, so this images come. When you will click second PNG, so this images come. When you will click third PNG come. When you click 6 PNG, it will 6 PNG come. That I will be made. Now, how I will be made it? Like first of all, I will be define like import OS module, and then I will try the file as /os.listdr and then culture folder, and this is my folder name. What it is my folder name? If I remove f, so it will be not come, like I will be see you, and when I will be run, so when you will see here, nothing will be coming, it will giving the error. Because why? Because my folder name is incorrect. My folder name is collected older, but the real my folder name is collected folder. That's why it will giving error. If I will be give like folder, so it will giving like that all thing. Now for file in file, if file end with .png, here it will be ending .png. If you change, like here's one PNG, it is coming like, if you change, like if you give anything like jpg, and now it is coming like a 1.jpg or 2.jpg, it will not coming anything. Why? Because in my folder the picture is only for what? Only for PNG. I will be pick a picture of my picture is PNG. That's why here is coming like nothing will be coming. When I will be write like PNG to the 1.png, click it, it will be open, and that is very easy. os.rename f collected folder file f collected folder and .png, and it is very easy. If you write here jpg, and if you here you will be also write jpg, and when you will be again you will be run, so it will give nothing. Why? Because in my folder there is all is PNG files. Okay, only PNG file. That's why it is not coming. If that's why it is not coming. So I will be give like here PNG, and here I will be also give like PNG. And when I will be give like PNG, so it will come like 1, 2 PNG. It is very easy. And please, if you have your folder, so you will give your folder name. If you not give your folder name, it will give error. Like I will be erase R, so it will give me the error. Like here I will be see, it will giving the error. Only it's coming like 1.png. Only 1.png is coming. But if you click here, it will become. But only 1.png is coming. That's why I will be telling you, it is very easy. You will be write your folder correct name, correct folder name. That's why it will become. And then you will be go to here and click the 1.png, and you will be download this picture also, like and if you download like here, and you will be downloaded. And now here I will be make a folder also, like I will be seeing this is my folder of collected folder. It is my folder, and here's my images, like you have seen it, and it will, here's my folder, what will be, I will make it. And now when I will be open my folder also, like here I will be here, here I will be open my folder like here. So it will like I will be erase this, and when I will be go here where I will be open my folder, but it will not opening yet. Why it will not opening yet? I will be see it and tutorial, and then here I will be go, and then I will be go. Why it will not coming? But it will, why it is not coming? It will come. So I will be show you how I will be do it. Tutorial. This is my folder, and where I will be drop him. Here. Here. It will not coming. If it come, I will be tell you how I will be do that. And format paintboy.by successfully save it. I will be save it also. So it is very easy, and you will be pick your own picture and do here. And if I will be go to the here, if I go to the here, like here it is come in tutorial. Here's a where is the folder? I will see it like culture folder. I'm file. Let me see it. Culture. And now here's folder. Here the picture is coming, but the folder is not coming. I see it. Why it is not coming? Like picture is coming like there. And culture folder, and open it. Like here I will be it come like 1.png, 2.png. This is my folder, and it is very easy. In this video I will be tell you how solution of my exercise what I will be give you. Oh, and I hope you can enjoy this class, and I will tell you easily to how you can create operation module system with that. And if you click here, it will come like that, it will come like that, it will come like that, and you will be change your pictures also. It is very easy and very simple. And now, and then it will come like that. My folder is coming like that, and if you drop here your pictures also, and if you go here you will be write like rename. So if you rename like Ryan.png, enter, and if you give like that, and then picture is gone. Like as you can see it, why the picture is gone? So because the I will be do it like .png, that's why the picture is gone, and it will giving the error. And if I do here, and when then I will be go to the here, and then I will be again give a new name like 1.png, and then it will not give the error, and the picture will come easily, but it will giving the error. Why? Because I will be do like that. So it is coming like that, and if you open here, so the picture will be also open. And if you drop here your own picture also, and duplicate it or delete it or download it, anything. And now in this video I tell you how to do like that, and I will tell you in this video oh, how to make a operation module system with that thing. So I hope you can enjoy this class, and enjoy. Please like that video, share your friend, and subscribe to my channel. So I'll meet you in next class, and please go to the here YouTube and search my channel by the name of Code with PK, and go here, and please go here, subscribe my channel and all the notification bell. Then if you subscribe to the notification will become in your notification section. And go playlist and go to the Python tutorial with projects, and please bookmark it. I will be already bookmark it because okay. And please like this video, share from here and with your friends, family members and friends, and please comment out, and please see all the videos of mine. And now I will be meeting you next class, and this is our last video of Python of 72, and this is my 73 video. So I will meet you next class in next video, amazing class of Python of big video. And I will be upload a speaking video into 1 to 2 weeks. One video, one week I will be upload a speaking video in one, and it is anywhere. So but I will meet you next class and next very amazing class. And so for today, goodbye.